Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find backup photos on Google Photos. And to find them you need to open Google Photos application, you need to be in the photos, and right here we have a lot of photos. This one is backup photos. To prove it for you, I will open a gallery on my phone, and as you can see I have only one photo here, but in the Google Photos I have much more. You can also use a search to search between your photos. You can write, let's say, dog, and you will have this. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.